I don't usually do this, but I want to see if I do a tree knot. Let's see. Right there, the sticks in there. Look at this place, isn't it beautiful? Yeah, I don't know if everybody knows that the Appalachian Mountains are one of the oldest, is the oldest mountain range in the United States. The reason the other mountains are a lot higher is because of the erosion in the Appalachian Mountains. The erosion is why that our mountains look like rolling gigantic hills. They used to be as big as all the other mountains thousands and thousands of years ago. Don't know if everybody knew that, but if you don't, you do now. Have a blessed day. Please, please, please like and subscribe.